How to fix OneDrive error 0x8007017c. The cloud operation is invalid in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. The first step is modify group policy. Click on search, type gpedit.msc. Click on this result, gpedit.msc. In the user configuration section, expand administrative templates, then expand Windows components, scroll down and select work folders. Select specify work folder settings. Click on policy settings here. Check the option enabled. Here is on-demand file access preference. Click on this drop down and select disabled. Click on apply. Click on OK. Close the group policy editor and restart your computer. The second step is update OneDrive. Click on the OneDrive icon from the taskbar. If this icon is not showing, then click on search and type OneDrive. The OneDrive cloud icon will be available now. Click on this icon. Click on settings. Select settings. Here click on about. Click on OneDrive version. This link. Here files for OneDrive versions are available. If any updated file is available here, match with the OneDrive on your computer 0003. On my computer, OneDrive is updated. If it is not on your computer, then click on the files link and run the setup file from the downloads folder. You can run the setup file from here also. Install pending updates. Click on start, select settings, go to Windows Update, click on check for updates. If any update is available, let it download and restart your computer if required. Then install driver updates. Click on advanced options, optional updates. If any update is showing here, click on download and install the driver update. Close the settings window and restart your computer. If the error code still appears, you can run network troubleshooter. Click on start, select settings, go to system, click on troubleshoot, other troubleshooters. For network and internet, click on run. Network is showing good. Run network tests. If any problem, you can restart the Wi-Fi network adapter. Restart adapter. Close the window. The last but not the least, uninstall and reinstall OneDrive. Right click on the Windows icon from the taskbar, select installed apps. This is Microsoft OneDrive. Click on this ellipsis, select uninstall, click on uninstall on this pop-up. Yes. Let the removal complete. Then open Microsoft Edge browser. Type OneDrive, download, intro. Click on download. Click on download here. Let the download complete. After the downloading is completed, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Select Downloads. Right click on OneDrive setup.exe. Select Open. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After the OneDrive is installed, click here and sign in. Enter the email ID, click on sign in and check if the error no longer appears. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.